How to fix Epocrates app not working. Hello everybody, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can fix if your Epocrates app is not working. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your settings menu, and then from here on out scroll down until you find app settings. And on your app settings you just have to search for your Epocrates app. Scroll down all the way until you find the app and then just tap on it. So let me just scroll down and then just tap on the app. Now once you tap on the app, you can just go to storage, and here you can try to clear cache first, and then if you want you could also clear data as well. It will completely refresh the app, and then from here what you can do is just go to your permissions and make sure that your permissions are allowed. And then you can try to force stop the app as well, because if there are any background requests going on, that might be causing the issue. So it will completely stop those and your app should start working normally again. The last step you can try to do is go to battery. Make sure you set this to optimized or unrestricted and you should be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you fix the Epocrates app not working. If this was helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.